In the dappled light of the forest, a gentle wave appears, not a water, but a blossom, cascading like a mist. This is ocean spray, a wild shrub with a quiet power. Native to the forests of the Pacific Northwest, ocean spray grows along creek beds and woodland trails. Its feathery blooms glow like summer snow, a sacred presence among evergreens. Once called ironwood, its branches are strong and its spirit even stronger. Indigenous people honored this plant as medicine. Its bark, brewed as tea, was used to soothe the stomach and purify wounds. Its flowers, light and fragrant, was steeped for calming teas and spiritual cleansing. And its wood, hard and resilient, was shaped into tools, weapons, and rhythm sticks. Ocean spray heals not just the body, but the spirit too. Ocean spray teaches us resilience with softness, to stand tall and offer beauty, even in the wilderness, to move like mist, yet root like stone. It reminds you, you are strong, you are soft, you are healing.